We are going to start with numerical based on work done. Okay, work done आपको याद होगा, and the work done was in the if you are putting down a force in the direction opposite to that of electric field generated by a point charge or a line charge. We have seen those expressions. Okay, those expressions probably 3 weeks before or 2 weeks before. So I guess you already have those expressions in the your notebook, and in today's session we are going to solve the numerical based on those expressions. Okay, let us recall the expressions for work done. Do you remember work done? W is equal to minus q integral e bar dot dl bar. Okay, and it is for b to a. Integral limit stands from b to a. I have written down few of the expressions for differential lengths over there. dl bar in Cartesian coordinate system, dl bar in cylindrical coordinate system, and dl bar in spherical coordinate system. Okay. In some cases, we are going to require straight line equations because these are the straight line equation, and this is the slope of that line, straight line. Okay, we will require these equations when we are going to solve a numerical based on moving a point charge in a straight line. Okay, whenever we are going to move a point charge in a straight line, but this movement is in the opposite direction to that of electric field. Okay, and do remember that whenever we talk about the work done in that particular movement, we always have a limit from b to a, or I will say that integral from initial point to final point b to a. अगर मूव कर रहे हैं तो ही वर्क डन होगा. If we are moving from a to b, the force applied is provided by the electric field itself. ये चीज बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. अगर यहाँ पे आप गड़बड़ करते हो, your answer, what I will say, will be wrong. In some cases, magnitude will be same and the sign will be different, but in some cases, your magnitude will also be different. ये फॉर्मूले आप लोगों ने लिख लिए आपके नोटबुक में. ओके, तो ये dl बार है यहाँ पे. This is spherical, this is cylindrical, and this is Cartesian coordinate. How to use these expression while solving the numerical, we will see. But फिर से कह रहा हूँ, integral limits initial to final ये रखने हैं आप लोगों ने, otherwise your numerical will be wrong. Let us write down the problem statement. Find work done in moving a point charge q. Okay, from certain point to certain point. Looking at the given point, I can say that okay, two angles, therefore spherical coordinate system, and you have an electric field expression given as some weird looking expression. Okay, never get fear about the expression. The more weird the expression is, it is more easier to solve. Do remember that. जितना गंदा दिखेगा एक्सप्रेशन, उतना ही न्यूमेरिकल आसान रहेगा. ये हमेशा ध्यान में रखो. So never get fear about the expression. Never. So we are given with a point charge. We do have the limits. Can I say that we have a point, we have another point. So we do have initial point and we do have final point as well. Okay. And we are given with an expression. So here in this numerical statement, it is not specified that whether we are moving a point charge in a straight line or some in random direction or random method. So until and unless it is given in the numerical statement, always assume that it is along the straight line. okay, along the straight line, and that straight line defined by the coordinate system. इतना याद रखना है तो हमेशा की तरह what are the given quantities? We do have an expression for electric field intensity. What we are going to find? We are going to find amount of work done from for moving a point charge from one point to another point. Okay, we do have a formula. Okay. So whenever we say that from 0 0, so it becomes our point B and this becomes point A. Okay, याद रखिए ये चीजें. I will go back to this diagram. From B to A, from B to A, or from initial to final. कैसे भी याद रखो, पर याद रखो. Otherwise, numerical will wrong. So we do have, and we do have DL bar expression. I have written down the complete expression for now, and this DL bar expression, I just as said, is looking towards the coordinate system. जो दिया है वो है spherical coordinate system. Now we will solve the numerical. So we know that we have given an expression of E bar and we have an expression of DL bar. So let us have the dot product. ये dot बहुत ज़्यादा important है. Okay. Later on you will be habitual कि भाई कैसे लिखना है, क्या लिखना है. Later on मतलब आप अभी तक habitual हो जाना चाहिए. If not, once again I will say that you need to study a lot to conduct 20 lectures, 21 lectures. Probably I have studied around 70 to 80 hours. Okay, that is a difference of amount of study what you are doing and what I am doing. Just preparing your PPT and notes have consumed my 15 hours. ओनली जो टाइप करने की बात है ना, वो चीज़ें 15 घंटे मैंने टाइपिंग किया है टिल डेट. देन वी कैन हैव कि भाई AR dot will be 1, so we will have this expression 5 e raised to minus r by 4 into dr. A phi dot A phi will be 1. Okay, so we will have 10 upon r sine theta into this r sine theta d phi, r sine theta d phi. Rest of the terms in the dot product become 0. AR dot AR will be 1, but AR dot A phi or A theta will be 0. Do anyone have confusion in this term, this step? यहाँ से यहाँ तक कैसे आए? Do anyone have any confusion?
No, sir.
Okay. Ruth don't have any confusion. Nachiket, do you have any confusion?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, okay, great. So after solving the integral, यहाँ पे मैंने आंसर लिखा है 1.17 माइक्रोजूल्स. ये कैसे आया? Do you remember that? From this point onwards, solving integral is up to you. सिर्फ यहाँ पे बता देता हूँ एक बार. And this will be the last time I am explaining how to solve the integration. I will rewrite the expression as integral of minus 5 e raised to minus r by 4 dr plus 10 upon this r and this r gets cancelled out, this sine theta gets cancelled out. So we are left with 10 d phi. This is what we have. Okay. So splitting the integrals, so we will have 5 e raised to minus r by 4 dr plus 10 d phi. So d phi always varies from 0 to pi by 2 and r varies from, देखो यहाँ पे क्या है, spherical coordinate system. So spherical coordinate system क्या होता है, r theta phi. तो initially क्या है 0, final में क्या है 2. So initially r is 0 and final is 2. So this integral, okay, fine, 5 into e raised to minus r by 4 का इंटीग्रल क्या आएगा, e raised to minus r by 4 upon minus 1 by minus 1 by 4, and integral limits will be 0 to 2. Okay, plus 10 phi 0 to pi by 2. Okay. So we will have ये -1/4 इधर ले लेता हूँ तो it will be -20 e raised to minus r by 4 0 to 2 plus 10 into pi by 2 minus 0. Okay, and this will be like -20 e raised to -2 by 4 minus e raised to -0 by 2 plus, can I say that this is 5 pi. Okay, so we have -20. तो ये जो टर्म हो गई ये क्या है, e raised to 0 is e raised to 0 is tell me someone, e raised to 0 is,
1.
yes, e raised to 0 is 1, and we do have this one as e raised to minus half. So and this was this integral, and we have to multiply by minus q. So I will add that term at this step. I am giving the understanding only here. तो यहाँ पे Q कितना दिया हुआ था, 5 माइक्रोकूलम, -5 माइक्रोकूलम इनटू ये पूरा है आपका इंटीग्रल. अभी इसको अगर आप सॉल्व करोगे सो एट द एंड यू विल एंड अप इनटू -1.17 माइक्रो जूल्स. ओके, तो ये चीजें आपने ध्यान रखनी है. सो सॉल्विंग इंटीग्रेशन इज नॉट नाउ माय पार्ट from this lecture onward. Okay, solving the integral is your part. What I am going to do, maximum up to this part, maximum up to this step, splitting the integrals and putting the limits, वहां तक बताऊंगा. लेकिन ये जो पूरा पार्ट है ये आप लोगों को करना है. आई विल गिव यू द फाइनल आंसर. ओके, ये न्यूमेरिकल समझ में आ गया. व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट हियर, टू आइडेंटिफाई योर पॉइंट्स, to put the proper limits. Okay, लिमिट सही सही से लिखने हैं, एंड टू चूज द एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ डीएल बार. स्पेरिकल कोऑर्डिनेट दिया है न्यूमेरिकल में एंड यू आर टेकिंग द डीएल बार फॉर कार्टेशियन कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम, that will be mistake definitely. So select DL bar with reference to given coordinate system. तो ये था आसान न्यूमेरिकल, स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड न्यूमेरिकल. नाउ वी विल जंप टू ग्रुप डी न्यूमेरिकल, where we do have little more expressions. Okay, let us see. If electric field E bar is given in this way, so looking at the electric field intensity expression, we know that okay, we need to work with the Cartesian coordinate system. Find work done in moving a point charge. Okay, point charge का दिया है value from one point to another point along straight line path. Along straight line path. So we do have Q, we do have points, we do have expression of DL bar. What we need to have the expression of, sorry, we do have expression of E bar. We need to find the expression of DL bar. We have to write down in a proper way. So let us write down, given is expression of electric field intensity, amount of point charge. What we need to find, the amount of work done in moving that point charge from a point to another point. We do have a formula, W is equal to minus Q integral E bar dot DL bar, and DL bar here we have chosen as dx ax cap plus dy ay cap. Why we haven't considered dz az cap? Because looking at the given expression, what we have, only ax and ay components. Even if we write down plus dz az cap, the component associated with az cap will be 0, because ax dot az will be 0 and ay dot az will be 0. So let us curtail down, reduce our mathematics. Let us now go into the solution. We do have E bar dot DL bar. So the complete expression of E bar and complete expression of DL bar, and we have the dot product in between them, and we do have E bar dot DL bar expression like this. Okay. AX. So the term over here into this term, then AY and AY. So 2x dy we have as E bar dot DL bar. Okay. let us split let us split the terms over here. X by 2 dx plus 2y dx plus 2x dy. Now if you look at this expression, x by 2 dx is okay, 2y dx, so we do have y variable as well as x variable. यहाँ पे 2x we do have x variable, y variable as well. So to solve this kind of integrals, क्योंकि e bar dot dl bar का इंटीग्रल करने वाले हैं, to solve this kind of integral we have a special procedure. Okay. Probably in diploma you have seen that procedure, or M3 में भी था या फिर M2 में था या नहीं पता नहीं, M3 में था. Okay. So to solve this type of integration we need to express x in terms of y or y in terms of x as following. Okay. कैसे करते हैं? Here for a straight line we have an expression y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1, where m is expressed as y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. तो यहाँ पे ध्यान रखिए, y2 minus y1 म्हणजे फायनल पॉइंट मायनस इनिशियल पॉइंट, x2 minus x1 फायनल पॉइंट मायनस x इनिशियल पॉइंट. दिस इज आवर फायनल पॉइंट, दिस इज आवर इनिशियल पॉइंट. तो कोऑर्डिनेट सही सही रखने हैं. So m, that is slope of your line, is half. So let us put that value. So y minus y1 is 2. Okay, is equal to half x minus x1 is 4. X1 is 4. And let us rewrite the equation. Okay. So that we end up in a value like x is equal to 2y. Okay. x is equal to 2y. कैसे? ये -2 गया, ये -2 गया, x, ये 2 इधर गया, x is equal to 2y. So now we can say that since x is equal to 2y, dx is equal to 2 dy, taking the differentiation on the both sides. Now we can modify this expression and do the integral. So replacing x and dx values in the upper equation of e bar dot dl bar, we do have e bar dot dl bar. X क्या है? X is 2y. Therefore we have written 2y. dx क्या है? Dx is 2 dy. Therefore, okay, 2 dy. Typing mistake. Okay. Then 2y as it is. dx क्या है? Dx is 2 dy. x क्या है? x is 2y. तो यहाँ पे ये 2y आ गया, dy जैसे के जैसे. तो we do have an expression, complete expression in terms of y and dy. So we can say that okay, e bar dot dl bar is equal to 10y dy, and now we can solve this integral as, देखो, initial point to final point ऐसे लिमिट है. तो y का लिमिट कहाँ है? 2 से 0 तक. So therefore 2 से 0 तक, and if you solve this integral we will have 400 microjoules value, 400 microjoules. So if this much part is omitted, once again numeric is straightforward. And why do we require this part? Because we do have expressions like y 2y dx plus 2x dy. तो इस टाइप का इंटीग्रेशन सॉल्व करना you have studied in M3 and you have to apply here. Okay, here in electromagnetics. तो ये था सेकंड न्यूमेरिकल. ये समझ में आ गया सब लोगों को? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. मुकेश कळालंय तुम्हाला? मुकेश, रुचिता, तुम्हाला कळालंय? दीपेश, तुम्हाला कळालं? ऋषिकेश तुम्हाला कळालंय?
सर एकदा बघावं लागेल. बघतो आणि
हम्म, okay. Whenever I say कळालंय का म्हणजे I am trying to ask you, have you understood the procedure? Because solving mathematics is part of practice. I cannot help in solving the mathematics, but where I can help, give the understanding of the numerical, analyze the numerical, and how to use the formulae, which formulae we have to consider, and procedure to solve the numerical. इतना दे सकता हूँ, उतना बता सकता हूँ. Solving the integrals and other part is a matter of practice, and really due to this distance kind of thing I cannot look into your notebooks. Okay, let us go for the next numerical and we will solve the first part only. This is first and this is second. Write down the numerical along with me. Given electric field intensity E bar is equal to 400 AX cap minus 300 AY cap plus 500 AZ cap. So looking at the expression of electric field intensity, this is a Cartesian coordinate system. In the neighborhood of point P, given as 6, 2, minus 3, find incremental work done in moving point charge Q of 4 coulomb for a distance of 1 millimeter in the direction along the vectors. पहला वेक्टर दिया है और दूसरा वेक्टर दिया है और यहाँ पे एक नया वर्ड डाल दिया है कि इंक्रीमेंटल वर्क डन. Whenever we say that incremental work done, that means we need to find the dW, not the complete W. So we need to calculate only dW and we are not going to have the integration of E bar dot dl bar. अगर integration of E bar dot dl bar करते हो आप लोग तो we get complete amount of work done. इन्होंने क्या कहा है, इंक्रीमेंटल वर्क डन, तो इंटीग्रेशन नहीं करना, सिर्फ dw की वैल्यू आपने फाइंड करनी है. ओके, सो दिस काइंड ऑफ न्यूमेरिकल वेयर आपको डिस्टेंस दिया है, वेयर इंक्रीमेंटल वर्क डन कैलकुलेट करना है एंड यू आर गिवन विद द सम डिफरेंट वैल्यूज ऑफ वेक्टर एज वेल. अदरवाइज यूजुअल केस में, इन जनरल केस में वी कंसिडर द डीएल बार लुकिंग एट द गिवन कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम, बट यहाँ पे आपको एक्सप्रेशन दिया हुआ है. So how to solve it? We are going to solve only first part. The second part will be given as a homework for you. So incremental work done means only dW. So integration is not required. So we do have a dW is expressed as minus q E bar dot dl bar. Let us write down the given expression, given quantities of electric field intensity, amount of charge, and the distance given as dl, magnitude of dl bar. Okay, this is nothing but magnitude of dl bar, simple, as 10 raised to minus 3 meter. Whenever we are considering the quantities, do remember that we are considering the meter. Okay, SI units. What we need to find, dw for this vector as well as the second vector. Second vector will be your homework bar. What kind of formula we are going to use? dW is equal to minus q E bar dot dl bar. dW क्यों लिख रहे हैं? Because we are asked to find the incremental work done only, not the complete work done. So solution क्या करने वाले हैं? So let us go through the steps. First, determine the expression of dl bar. Okay. Second, evaluate E bar dot dl bar. क्योंकि पता है E bar dot dl bar इतना evaluate करना है, and that's all. That will give us the final answer after multiplying by the amount of charge. So let us see part 1. dl bar is equal to dl into dl cap. dl cap. dl cap which is unit vector, which is expressed as, ये सेम है जैसे स्टार्टिंग में लिखते थे ना, ए आर कैप इज इक्वल टू आर बार अपॉन मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ आर बार, तो वैसे ही है. डीएल कैप इज इक्वल टू डीएल बार अपॉन मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ डीएल बार. डीएल बार का एक्सप्रेशन आपको दिया है ए एक्स कैप प्लस ए वाई कैप प्लस ए जेड कैप. अंडर रूट 3 क्यों लिखा है? बिकॉज फाइंडिंग द मैग्नीट्यूड, ax cap plus ay cap plus az cap, everywhere what we have 1 dot 1 dot 1 dot. So the magnitude of your dl bar is equal to 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square. The addition of the square of the coefficients of ax cap plus, ax cap, ay cap and az cap. So this will be root 3. So therefore we do have root 3 over here. So we can say that dl bar is equal to, what is dl? dl is 10 raised to minus 3 into ax cap plus ay cap plus az cap upon root 3. This is the final expression of dl bar. Determine the expression of dl bar. ये important है. So put all the values in the expression. तो पता है कि भाई ax cap will have ax cap will have equal to 1, ay cap dot ay cap will be 1, and az cap dot az cap will be 1, and rest of the products will be 0. So after having this dot product and putting the value of q, which is 4 coulomb, we will end up into dw is equal to minus 1.38 joules. This much amount of incremental work done in moving a point charge we have done. Okay. Second part is for you as a homework. यहाँ पे सिर्फ दिखा देता हूँ मैं आपको कि we are going to find the expression of dl bar, and once again we are going to have the dot product in between the two expressions, e bar dot dl bar, and we will end up into the final answer, and that final answer will be 2.35 joules. Okay. तो ये है kind of scenario, the way I am going to conduct numerical from this lecture onward. Once again, I want to confirm whether you have understood the procedure. Solving mathematics will be part of habit, that's it. But you cannot solve the mathematics if you don't know the procedure, how to solve the numerical. At least you have to understand till the point where we get all the expressions in the formula. Formula में जो भी variables है उनके expressions कैसे decide करने हैं वो समझना जरूरी है. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Do anyone have any doubt? Whenever I say doubt, I want to refer to the procedure of solving the numerical. Okay, किसी को कोई doubt है in the procedure?
No, sir.
If probably if you do have any doubt in the procedure, I have a simple answer for that. Go through the recording, solve the numerical again and again. Yes, someone raised a hand. Let me see who is that. Himanshu, yes. Himanshu, you raised your hand. Do you have any doubt? I cannot hear you, Himanshu. Sorry. Okay. What I will say.